Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started. Here we have a Project 1965 Fiberfab Avenger GT40 listed for $12,999 US in Joliet, Illinois. It's been driven 2,971 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, Fab Avenger GT40, titled as a 1982 special construction, the car was running and driving. It has been sitting for a couple of years. VW chassis and 4-speed manual. Majority of the hard labor is done. The paint is good from 10 feet. We'll need floorboards, new gaskets for the engine, not running. And up next we have this 1985 Lotus 7 Replica, listed for $29,995 US in Lake Forest, California. It's been driven 5,352 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1985 Lotus S7 Replica, legally registered with a VIN and title, RS2000 Ford Escort 2-liter, 4-speed transmission, rack and pinion steering, 2-barrel Weber carb, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes. Alright, here we have a 1927 Bugatti Boattail, listed for $110,000 Canadian in Toronto, Ontario. It's been driven 4,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, replica of a 1927 Bugatti Boattail Roadster in brilliant red, uni-frame, independent front end from a Pinto, driveline is from a Datsun 240Z, the engine is a straight 6, manual 4-speed transmission, engine has dual Jaguar oil carbs, everything works except fuel gauge, runs and drives very well, power brakes, manual steering, seat belts, no trades. Alright, here we have a 1966 Aztec, listed for $22,500 US in Dover, Pennsylvania. It's been driven 7,629 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1966 Aztec kit car on a 1972 Beetle frame, Type 3 1600cc VW motor, Karmann gear brakes, $22,500 or best offer, clean title. Okay, here we have a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette with a body kit, listed for $42,500 US in Fargo, North Dakota. It's been driven 27,887 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1980 Chevrolet Corvette with an IMSA Eckler's Daytona Coupe body kit, 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 engine, turbo 350, automatic transmission. And up next we have this 1926 Morgan, listed for $9,995 Canadian in Surrey, BC. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 1926 Morgan kit car, 1600 motor, new brakes, new fuel lines, new electrical, new gauges, $9,995 or best offer. Alright, here we have a 2020 DF Goblin, listed for $15,000 US in Carnation, Washington. It's been driven 1,770 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, DF Goblin kit car, turnkey, street legal, stock GM Ecotec 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, smooth auto transmission, registered in Washington as a 2020 Roadster, clean title. Alright, I've mentioned in the past, these are one of my faves. I'm not sure on the year they've given, but it's listed as a 1967 Manta Mirage, listed for $34,000 US in St. George, Utah. It's been driven 3,898 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1967 Manta Mirage Can-Am, over 400 horsepower, 400 Chevy engine, 4-speed transmission, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, front air adjustable suspension, aluminum radiator with electric fans, 4-point harnesses, all gauges work great, has turn signals and headlights, clear title, $34,000 or best offer. And here we have a 1937 Jaguar Duke SS100, listed for $22,900 US in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's been driven 21,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, pure vintage glamour, 1937 Jaguar SS100 Duke replica. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1974 dune buggy, listed for $5,800 US in Casper, Wyoming. From the seller's description, 1974 Volkswagen dune buggy, $5,800 or best offer, full length 74 bug chassis with fiberglass body, 1600 DP air-cooled engine, custom TD04-9B turbo build, new seats and 4-point harness, new tires, needs alignment, make an offer. Worst I can say is no. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.